In Langreo, at the heart of the Nalón mining basin, Fondón pit preserves 2 centuries of Asturias industrial memory. It was the second vertical shaft opened in the region and lived through an intense history. In the post-war years, it housed a penal colony where prisoners reduced their sentences by working in the mine. Today, it is the home to UNOSA Historical Archive, which offers insight into life in the mining valleys through documents, photographs, and objects of great historical value. It is also home to the headquarters of the Central Mining Rescue Brigade, a leading reference in underground rescue operations. Its red brick architecture, headframe and murals are particularly impressive. A symbol of coal in Asturias, Fondón now looks to the future with clean energy thanks to its biomass and geothermal plant. Come to Fondón pit and relive the legacy of Asturian mining.